Assalamu alaikum to everyone, my dear friends and my teachers and my dear audience. I hope you all will be fit and fine and always be happy. Today we are going to start about some different new words that are used everywhere, like example of books in a different newspaper, in different novels. So these two words are really very important and they should be noted. They must be noted that what is meant by them. And we study everywhere, we read them everywhere, but we have never focused on, or we have never noticed them, that what is actually meaning of these two words. And these two words are IE and EG. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about these two words, IE and EG. So let's start without wasting any time. IE and EG, these both words are taken from Latin language. IE, it simply means in essence. The term I means in and E means essence. IE is used to introduce a word or phrase in a sentence which express the meaning of the sentence and that what has been said previously. For example, when you read or write the sentence, after the sentence you will notice that IE, the term IE is used where it shows or it expresses about the sentence that what has been said in that previous sentence. When you write or read the sentence, you will notice there that the IE word is used there. It express the meaning of the sentence that what has been said in that sentence. And now the second word is EG. So guys, before starting this topic, I want to tell you that this word has been taken from Latin word, exempli gratia. When we read or when we write the sentence or discuss about any topic or any issue, we always use the example related to that topic or related to that problem. And we all know and we all must have to use the example related to topic that what we are discussing about, and is the example is relatable to that topic or not. So it is really necessary to use the example about what you are discussing or about what you are telling. So when you always discuss about any problem with your friends or when you discuss about any topic that has been given to you, so you must always have to use the example about that topic. In the last, I will suggest you that please always use the example in your statement, in your discussions or in your essay writings, and these examples will always help others to understand more that what you are actually talking about, and these examples will be really helpful and will be so fruitful for others and even for you too, that what you are discussing about, and these examples will feel others to simply understand of your statement or your essay or your discussion. So guys, don't forget to share, like and comment this video. I hope you will get more information from this video, and this video will be really helpful for you, for your friends. Thank you.